If you're serious about running and improving your performance, VO2 Master promises to take your training to the next level. But is it really worth it? Here's my experience. VO2 Master is a fitness app designed to track running performance, analyze VO2 max, and provide personalized training insights. VO2 max, for those who don't know, measures the maximum amount of oxygen your body can use during exercise, essentially a key indicator of endurance fitness. Most runners get this wrong by thinking pace or distance alone determines performance, but VO2 Max gives a more accurate picture of your aerobic capacity. The app connects to wearables like Garmin, Apple Watch, and other fitness trackers to gather real-time data. It analyzes heart rate, pace, distance, and even recovery metrics to suggest workouts tailored to your fitness level. You won't believe how precise some of the recommendations are, like adjusting intervals or long runs based on your current recovery status. VO2 Master also includes features like training plans, goal tracking, and progress reports. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which makes it beginner-friendly, while still offering advanced insights for seasoned runners. One standout feature is the predictive VO2 max scoring. It estimates how your training impacts your overall fitness and suggests adjustments to prevent overtraining. On the downside, some features require premium access, and accurate tracking depends on using compatible devices. However, the value for serious runners looking to optimize training is significant. In conclusion, VO2 Master is an excellent tool for runners who want to measure and improve performance scientifically. If you're committed to training smarter, this app can make a real difference. Subscribe for more running app reviews, training tips, and ways to boost your endurance safely and effectively.